Hello guys, how to fix mouse cursor disappeared in Windows 11 and Windows 10. So sometimes Windows 11 users can experience the sudden disappearance of their mouse cursor. This error is present in both Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are currently experiencing the mouse cursor disappeared error in Windows 11 and 10, here are the fixes. Open Device Manager. We will update the mouse driver. Go to mic and other pointing devices, expand it and right click on your mouse driver and choose update driver. Choose search automatically for drivers and Windows will now automatically update your mouse driver and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next fixes is enable the touchpad. Open Windows settings. From the left pane, go to Bluetooth and devices. Go to right side and locate touchpad option. Click on it. Here turn the toggle button on from the top to enable touchpad in Windows 11 and Windows 10, and also under tabs touchpad sensitivity, make the check against all the options and check whether your error is resolved or not. The next workaround is unhide the mouse pointer. Go to Windows search, type control mouse and open here. Go to the section mouse pointer, click on it, scroll down and you will find the option mouse. Click on it and choose additional mouse settings. A new window will open. Here go to the option mouse pointer options, click on it and here uncheck the option hide pointer while typing and click apply and OK and check whether your error is resolved. Definitely